Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Songsterr. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so depending what device you're using, the best way to do this is to go to your Play or App Store. So open it up, click on the search, and then simply type in Songsterr and then hit enter. Now from here, click onto the Songsterr guitar tabs and chords. Make sure it's by Songsterr. This is the official application. It's got 5 million downloads and over 50,000 reviews. So from here, go ahead and click on install. This is going to go ahead and download and install it onto your device. But I have noticed a few users can't find it on your Play or App Store, and this might be due because it might not be available on the Google Play Store App Store because it isn't released in your country or region just yet. So app availability on the stores depend on regional licensing, distribution rights, and developer restrictions. So some apps can only be accessed from certain countries. It could also be missing if your device doesn't meet the app's compatibility requirements, your Google account is set to a different region, or if the app has temporarily removed or updated by the developer. If you're unsure, just go ahead and go to Songsterr on web and then contact their support team and just ask how can you download it and what country region you are, and then go through the process with them to being able to go ahead and download and install Songsterr.